patients, and there are
Hey everyone,
restrictions.
how you doing?
Healthcare insurance company has over 30
This is my sweetie pie. I call her my better half. Her name's Penny, and today is her birthday. She is turning the big 49 today.
These are the only Medicare
Happy birthday, Penny.
endorsed by AARP, an organization
She'll be
for generations.
opening a card I got her.
Plan members surveyed say they would recommend this plan to a friend. Remember, Medicare doesn't cover everything. The rest is up to you. Call now. Request your decision guide and start gathering the information you need to help you keep rolling with confidence. Go on.
Oh wow, he got me this card.
You got her card. You're not old until the fat lady sings.
There she is.
There she is.
Usenet Gen 4 is faster and better than ever. Enjoy more of what you love to do online. Call 1-888-987-8037.
She's opening her presents.
My grandson, even from here.
Now I don't have to drive 100 miles to find shoes like these.
With HughesNet, you can live where you love and enjoy faster surfing, downloading, shopping, videos, music,
Sure.
and more. Don't waste another minute on a slow internet connection. Call today and get
Ooh, I like
free
this.
standard installation for a limited time. Call 1-888-987-8037.
Oh wow, socks.
She got socks for her birthday. Hey everyone, put down in the comment box happy birthday, Penny. And she would really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, everyone.